Okay, boys and girls, this is week 6, day 5, your final day for this week. For reading today, you are going to read this paragraph about butterflies, and then they are asking you to make a 3 to 4 sentence summary over here on the side. Remember, a summary is what was that story about? So this little story over here about butterflies on the side, what was it about in just 3 to 4 sentences, okay? So they also want you to circle new vocabulary words that maybe you didn't know before, or some vocabulary words that are in there. So words that they tell you what the meanings are. And then use a crayon or a highlighter to underline the most important parts of the text. Then write a 3 to 4 sentence summary. Boys and girls, your summary has to be in your own words. You are not rewriting sentences from the paragraph. They have to be your own words on what you think the story was about, okay? Do not write sentences from the story. If you do, I will tell you to fix it, to rewrite it in your own words. We're not repeating or rewriting that story, okay? Then for writing, you are going to write loving kindness notes to place around your home. I guess you're not going to be able to place these around your house, but you can write them over here. To remind yourself and others to see the positive traits and goodness within. Okay, so they have right here some examples of kindness. I am loved. I am beautiful. You can write 2 more on this first page, and then they also have 8 more on these next 2 pages. So something about you that is good about you, okay? Something that you can remind yourself that something that is good about you. Doesn't have to be something you are good at, just something that's good about you. So it can be something within yourself too. Not just that I'm good at sports. You can say that, but say something good about your inside, your heart, your characteristics, okay? Something good about those. Then for grammar, antonyms, remember opposites attract. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite of each other, okay? Says color the antonym of the underlined word in each sentence, okay? So my dog Paws is very large. The dog's name is Paws, okay? So you are going to this word is the word they underline. So what is the word, which one of these words means the opposite of this word? And you're going to color it in. So you can get your highlighting tool and color in whichever one you think. If it's this one, you can color it in. If it's this one, color it in. Or if it's this one, okay, you can color them in. Sound good? All right. So there's grammar. And then for math, it's just review again. You are doing addition. However, down here they have whatever answers you get should be these numbers down here, and each of these has a letter with it. So I'll just do one with you. 8 plus 9, 17. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So 97. So down here you have to go find 97. It's not there. So I guess that one maybe doesn't have a letter. Okay. So then you go to your next one and you find the answer, and then if it's down here, F, the letter F is going to go in that little circle. Okay. Let me look and just make sure that I was right on here. Yep. Okay. Yeah, there is no G, so I guess this one doesn't have a circle down there. Okay. All right, boys and girls, happy working. Hope you have a great weekend after this. Don't forget to read for reading logs. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you.